Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Trading for Beginners. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to download Interactive Broker in your PC. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, open your browser, then go to your default search engine. Then search Interactive Broker Download. Scroll down a little bit, there you can see IBKR Desktop Download. Click on it. Then click to download for Windows 64-bit. Then it will be downloaded in your device. Click on it. Then install in your device. This is how you can download and install Interactive Broker in your PC. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.